We're talking about starting or restarting a growing relationship with God through spending time with God day by day. So as you come to your appointed time with God and you present yourself to God and request God's presence and God's help with you in that time through some kind of dedicatory prayer, you'll open up the scriptures and read the Psalms. A psalm a day or a portion of a psalm a day. Some of them are long. But as you read and pray through the Psalms in that way, you'll go through the Psalms about twice a year. Reading, praying, praising, lamenting, expressing anger. With ancient Israel, with Jesus himself, for whom the Psalms was one of his prayer books and hymn books, and with the historic church, for whom this value of reading the Psalms regularly on a rotation at times monthly has been a high value. In this way, we are learning, we are gaining words and a voice of speaking to God in all various ways. I love that idea that we're praying in communion with people, these same words, for thousands of years. I do think it's best, I would recommend that you speak them. Perhaps just a whisper, depending on your household situation. It can be awkward if you know someone's there listening to you in the next room, for example. But I think it's important, and I have to discipline myself for this. I forget to do it often. To hear yourself, to bring your whole body into the experience and not just keep it in your mind, wherein it's easy to sort of be separate and kind of analyze from a distance, but you're verbalizing, you're bringing your whole self into this offering. So try that. And for now, I just encourage you to move through the Psalms. I'll have more about the Psalms in a future video. But to move through them, try not to be distracted or discouraged or belabor something that you might want deeper understanding. I mean, go for it, if you have the motivation for that. But the point now is to develop this rhythm, this habit, this routine of being in the Psalms every day. Some days there'll be a verse that just quickens, delights, convicts your heart. And many days it won't. But you're developing a habit. You're developing a relationship, growing with God day by day.